What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Robo and Kala 2-in-1 laptop with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its hardware specs, features, the compatible accessories, design, build quality and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of Robo and Kala, you will find the 2-in-1 laptop, a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, a quick start guide, and a 65-watt CAN charger. Talking about the compatible accessories, it also comes with a magnetic keyboard and a smart pen. So here is our Robo and Kala 2-in-1 laptop in green color. So let's switch on the device first. So the setup is already done and we are good to go with our Robo and Kala here. So the very first thing I'm noticing is that how beautiful is the display. It's quite bright as well. As you can notice that the moment screen lit up, the background went a bit dark because the brightness is quite nice here. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got a 12.6-inch display. We got a bit of bezels on the sides and at the bottom, as well as at the top where you will find a 5 megapixel front facing camera. It also comes with 1 megapixel IR camera for Windows Hello facial recognition to unlock the device using the Face ID. The display of Robo and Kala 2-in-1 laptop is protected by Cordon Gorilla Glass. Officially, Robo and Kala does not provide the information that which version of Cordon Gorilla Glass is used on the display of Robo and Kala 2-in-1 laptop, but the good thing is that we got a strong protection on its display. At the top we got the power button, volume rockers, 2 microphones and some antenna lines. On the right side we got the speaker grill and once again some antenna lines. On the left side we got 2 USB Type-C 3.2 ports for connectivity purposes as well as for charging. We got another speaker grill and once again an antenna line. At the bottom we got the connection points for the pogo pin to connect the magnetic keyboard or any other compatible accessory, and on the back side we got the 13 megapixel camera that is capable of recording 4K resolution videos, and once again we got some antenna lines as well. We got this huge Robo and Kala branding and there is this kickstand provided that you can use when you have connected the magnetic keyboard with your Robo and Kala 2-in-1 to use it in the laptop mode. The kickstand is very easy to open and close, and as you can see the maximum angle is also quite high. It goes from here till here, so depending on your requirement you can easily change the viewing angle of your Robo and Kala. And here is a slot provided that is supposed to be for expanding the SSD storage, but I'm not sure how we can open this because it looks like a fixed slot, not something that I can open easily with just my finger or nail. So I will have a look on it later, but the kickstand is really nice. The body is made of aluminum alloy and we got the anodic oxidation on the body of Robo and Kala, but it is a bit of fingerprint magnet as well, as it is attracting some fingerprint and smudges very easily. But the good part is that because of the darker shade, these smudges are visible only at some particular angles. Robo and Kala 2-in-1 laptop is just 7.3 mm thick and it weighs just 690 grams, so it is quite lightweight. You can easily carry it anywhere and you can use it as a tablet in your hand for longer duration without facing any issue. It comes with a fanless design with 2 heat pipes to keep the device cool under heavy load. So the design and build quality of Robo and Kala 2-in-1 laptop is quite impressive in every aspect. It would be just nice if there was a 3.5 mm jack provided along with cellular connectivity to this device. Talking about the display, we got a 12.6-inch OLED display with 2560 x 1600 pixels resolution with 16:10 aspect ratio. It comes with 600 nits brightness, so the brightness of the device is quite high and you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. It comes with 98% of DCI-P3 color gamut. The touchscreen display of Robo Kala 2-in-1 laptop comes with 10 finger touch points compatibility and 4096 level of pressure. That is going to be very helpful while using the Smart Pen on this device. The maximum brightness is really high on Robo Kala 2-in-1, and this is the lowest brightness, and as you can see that it does not come with any screen flickering issue that you will find on other OLED display laptops. And talking about the HDR, it is compatible with the HDR video streaming, so you can stream HDR content from Netflix, YouTube, etc. on your Robo Kala 2-in-1 laptop. Talking about the hardware specs, Robo Kala 2-in-1 laptop comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8cx Gen 3 processor, 16GB RAM and 512GB storage, out of which 443GB is user available. We will see how good this hardware specs is going to be on Robo Kala 2-in-1 laptop in our detailed review of the device, and we will perform some benchmarking tests as well as we will do a detailed gaming review of the device to see how it is going to perform in daily usage as well as in some heavy usage. Talking about the battery, we got a 41.4 watt-hour battery on our Robo Kala 2-in-1 laptop and 65 watt charging on this device. Considering the fact that it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8cx Gen 3 processor that is very power efficient, the battery performance is going to be quite nice. Robo Kala officially claims that you can get up to 20 hours of battery life, but we will see how good it's going to be in our detailed review of the device, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. And in terms of connectivity, it comes with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and we got these two USB Type-C 3.2 ports for connectivity purposes that you can use to connect a dock for expanding the connectivity options. Now talking about the accessories, we got this magnetic keyboard for our Robo Kala 2-in-1 laptop. You can easily connect it using the pogo pins provided. You can see the magnet is very strong, providing a very strong grip here, and then you can use the kickstand to use Robo Kala. This keyboard also comes with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can either attach it with the Robo Kala 2-in-1 laptop using the physical pogo pins or using the Bluetooth. The 1.3mm key travel is quite nice for the typing experience, and it comes with 4 levels of backlighting. The touchpad provided is also quite nice and very smooth. We will see how it is going to be for the daily usage in our detailed review of the device, but right now it's looking quite nice for sure. And then we got this Robo Kala Smart Pen that we can use with our Robo Kala 2-in-1 laptop. So this is not charged right now, and I do not have enough apps as well to use this stylus provided here. So we will see how good it's going to be in our detailed review of Robo Kala 2-in-1 laptop. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live on this channel. So at the first glance, Robo Kala 2-in-1 laptop is looking a very nice 2-in-1 device, as it comes with a gorgeous display, nice build quality, slim and beautiful design, powerful but still less resource hungry hardware specs, a magnetic keyboard for full laptop experience. The only thing we are missing here is the lack of 3.5mm jack and the cellular connectivity. So that's all for now friends. Many more videos of Robo Kala 2-in-1 laptop are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.